Ever wondered if there is a hidden roadmap to uncovering profiles on OnlyFans? A trail that others overlook. Stick with me, I will show you the secrets behind the search step by step. Like an engineer decoding the perfect system. First thing first, make sure you are signed into your OnlyFans account. If you don't have one, you will need to create it before you can search for anyone. Once you are logged in, head to your home feed. Right at the top, you will see a search bar. This is where the magic happens. Now let's say you are looking for someone specific like Lee. Just type their name or a keyword related to them into the search bar. Instantly, you will see all the results that match, including username, accounts, and even posts featuring that name. Found that? Great! Just click on their profile to check out their account. Here is a bonus tip. Keep an eye on posts from OnlyFans itself. They often highlight content creators, making it easier to discover new accounts you might like. And there you have it. Finding users on OnlyFans is super easy. If you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.